Hi guys, welcome back to my Macrame channel. Today I have a very interesting macrame plant hanger tutorial to share with you. Its length is about 100 centimeters 39. Can fit a variety of pots with diameters from 12 to 24 centimeters. You need to prepare use 7 cords. Each cord is 197 inches. Fold them in half, put on the hook. Take one cord 236 inches long, fold in half and tie lark's head knot. Use half of this cord to tie 6 more lark's head knots. After tying, you will do the same with the other side. Note: pull the working cord to the right direction. On this side, you will tie a total of 8 lark's head knots. After reaching a total of 15 lark's head knots, you will tie one square knot to connect the two ends together. Divide it into 4 parts, each part 4 cords. Do it on each part in turn. Firstly, you need to tie one square knot. And then add the cord to the two sides. One cord 169 inches for each side. The knot used here is the reverse lark's head. Tie double half hitch. Starting from the cord in the center and moving to the left. When moving from right to left, the double half hitch knot is tied clockwise. Do the same with the right side. You also take the middle cord, move to the right. When tying the double half hitch knot from left to right, the cords are tied counterclockwise. After creating half a diamond, then tie a square knot to make the center part for the pattern. Continue tying the double half hitch knots to create the remaining half diamond. Do the same with the next diamonds until you make a total of 7 diamonds. Then you repeat the same process with the remaining 3 parts to create 3 more straps. And then, you make the body of the plant hanger. First, tie 3 square knots on each strap. Do the same with the others. Next step, use 24 cords, each cord 63 inches, fold them in half, and attach them to the 8 edges. 3 cords for each edge. Keep using the square knot to create the body of the plant hanger. Tie the square knots that connect the cords in the rows together. The upper row is about 2 centimeters away from the bottom row. Do the same with the remaining pieces. And then you connect the pieces together. The square knot continues to be used here. Tie 3 more rows of the square knot. Last step, use 1 cord 47 inches, tie wrapped knot. Try to tighten the rope. The macrame plant hanger is 100 centimeters 39 inches length and pot is 24 centimeters 9.5 inches diameter. It can hold smaller or larger pot than that. Thank you for watching.